don't catch any coronavirus. But if you get out, you will catch a lot of coronavirus. But if you stay at home, you will catch what? Zero coronavirus.
And what they need to do to not catch coronavirus? They need to
stay at home
and
wash her hands like that. First, we put some water on our hands, and then we put some soap. Rub it properly up the how do you call it again?
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I refuse to make this coronavirus win. I refuse to make it defeat me because everybody is home. So my mental is stay in bed. I'm tired, don't go to work out. And I contemplating staying in bed for a while. I contemplating for about 45 minutes not to go and work out. But the way I'm feeling, I'm saying no, get up, get up, get up. Find the strength to get up. Some morning it's so hard to go and work out, and it's only the second day in the week and I'm feeling like this. I really don't want to work out this morning. But if I don't work out and I eat some things that I don't usually eat during this time, I'm gonna pay for it. So I decided not to let it win. So I got up, I got me a glass of green juice, and I'm gonna have it and go get my workout in and get my energy up and get my day going, because I refuse to feel like this. I refuse to stay in bed. And if I stay in bed every day and don't work out, somebody want to say good morning. Somebody want to say good morning. Somebody wants to say good morning. Somebody wants to say good morning. No, you don't want to say, girl. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning. Yes, say good morning. Be nice. Girl, be nice. Say good morning. Say good morning, everybody. I am here screaming because I need some of Mama's green juice. Say, I need some of Mama's green juice. No? You just want to watch Paw Patrol? Alright. Stay in bed and watch Paw Patrol. Watch Paw Patrol. Okay. Who's coming? Who's coming? In the Papa slippers. Say good morning. Hey.
Good morning.
Say good morning, babe.
Good morning. Mama, I think I've finished my breakfast.
So go and finish your
Because
breakfast.
I was getting very full.
You are getting very full.
Yes.
Would you like some of Mama green juice? Oh, girl! How about have a little?
Yeah.
Yes, you're gonna have a little.
Just a little tip.
Just a little tip. Drink it all off. Will make you strong. Sorry, you want green juice?
How about some straw?
It's very yummy. Come, Sarah, come have green juice, because I know you want some. Sarah can't be left out of the green juice mix in the morning. She loves green juice. Green juice she wants, you know. You see her face in the cup? Mmm. Watch her. It's yummy. It's yummy. Come. We won't let Corona win. Corona won't take us over. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go and get my workout in right now. Babe should be crawling out of bed any minute to get ready for the office, the mobile office.
Mama?
Yes?
The office is over there.
Yes, it's over there. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and the fact that you're locked in, it's a perfect time to find the motivation to start working out. Perfect time. Don't let this corona trick you. Work out and don't stay in and eat all the goodies and don't stay active. Tyler, have a message for you.
And don't catch coronavirus.
Exactly.
Stay home like that you don't catch any coronavirus. But if you get out, you will catch a lot of coronavirus. But if you stay at home, you will catch what? Zero coronavirus.
And what they need to do to not catch coronavirus? They need to
Stay at home.
and
Wash her hands like that. First, we put some water on our hands, and then we put some soap. Rub it properly up. How do you call it again? Here.
the nails.
The nails. Like these. First wash there. And then put some more water. And then put some sanitizer. Rub it, blow it like that. And then wash our hands.
Good job.
And it's finished.
See, Tyler demonstrate to you how to wash your hands.
But the only place that we can go is picnic and
No, we can't go now picnic and mountain.
Yes, because
Not anymore. At first we could, but now we can't anymore. Because the president shuts down everywhere and anything we can't be seen outside. lunch. So sandwiches it is for him today. He said, Mama, one sandwich. And Tyler loves his sandwich with mayonnaise and tomatoes only. So he like his mayonnaise on his bread, then cheese and tomato and ham inside.
2 tomato I like.
2 tomato to be exact.
We have a camera.
So baby's working. Tyler and Sarah is playing. Tyler is taking a break from his schoolwork and it's gonna have lunch.
Not a schoolwork, it's a homework.
Well, yes, it's
You can
homework.
call it a schoolwork because we just work just like at school.
Exactly.
You can call that. But like it's at school, the example is the schoolwork and the homework. Thank you.
My little parrot. My little parrot. This boy can talk. He's a little talker.
What do you mean?
Tyler? Tyler?
Yes, Mama.
Go to the table. Your sandwich is ready.
Okay.
Get your water. Your water is over there where you're working. And it's lunchtime for Sarah also, so I'm gonna feed Sarah right now. So that's lunch for Tyler. And I'm starting dinner right away. I'm gonna throw this chicken in the oven to make them roast, and then as the day go by, I'll think about what to make it go with for dinner.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
what's that going to throw the chicken?
When I said throw, I'm not gonna literally throw it. I'm just gonna put in it. It's just a figure of speech.
Oh.
You guys, I'm making a quick lunch for baby and I. I'm using some chicken breast, and I'm just gonna saute it quickly on high heat in sesame oil and throw it over salad. And that's gonna be lunch. And the salad is just lettuce and avocado and tomato, and I had a little spaghetti in the fridge, so I just throw that over it, and I put some cashew on, and that's gonna be lunch. And lunch is ready. That looks so yummy. I give you guys a close-up of the salad. There it goes. Looks good. You finished eating, Tyler?
I'm ready.
Good job.
Hi guys, it's a new day. I'm sitting home. I'm eating, about to eat. Lunch looks wonderful. Well, even if I don't know everything that it's in, it looks good. Yeah, hope you all guys doing well. And yeah, it's not pretty outside. It's not pretty. Guys, yeah, how was the morning? It was good.
Good.
That was
Workout
good.
was bomb.
Yeah. What is that?
I haven't talked to you guys since workout. Workout was bomb. Who is finishing up working? Are you finished?
No.
What you have leave to do?
have this to do.
Okay, but take a break.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Good job. Look at this little miss. You can hardly see her. What you doing in front of the TV? Huh? Come here. Come here. Sarah. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She don't care. Sarah. I'm going to make dinner. Okay? Okay?
I think I finished.
You finish?
Yes.
Good job.
No more.
You finish?
Yeah.
You finish working for today?
Yes.
No. You're gonna work on now.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's finish making dinner. So this is dinner for today. Roast chicken, steamed veggies, and rice for Thai. Veggies for babe and I. Done.